The ancient kingdom of Nnobi in Idemili South, a local government area, went agog as she celebrates Ofala festival. The event, which also featured the 15th year coronation anniversary since Ofala festival, an 84-year birthday of Igwe Nick Obi, attracted people from all walks of life. Ifeoma Okibo, who was at Igwe's palace, Umudiokbala Awoda Nnobi, venue of the event, reports that it was indeed a sight to behold. Her report.
The event, which coincided with New Year's celebration, began with a pontifical holy mass celebrated by His Eminence Cardinal Francis Arinze at Madonna Catholic Church in Nnobi. In his New Year message, Cardinal Arinze wished every Nigerian joy and peace, emphasizing that the country will be what Nigerians want it to be, and advised the people to ensure justice, honesty and respect for every human being. The service featured thanksgiving by Igwe Nick Obi.
Every Nigerian should contribute with justice, peace, and good consideration for other people.
And the congregation at the reception ground, people who were in their large numbers were filled with expectations and enthusiasm as they are all looking forward to seeing their monarch after 2 years of COVID-19 pandemic. The Ndi chairs, Igwe cabinet, title holders, drawn from the 3 villages that made up the town, were all dressed in different attires. The traditional ruler of Nnobi, Igwe Obi, while breaking the kola nut presented to him, described this year's celebration as the best so far, and pray God for the unity and peaceful coexistence of Nnobi people.
Nnobi bụ udo, ịfụnanya, ọganihu, anyị na-asị etu Ofala dị n'ahụ a, anyị agbakwa ọzọ ka ọ dịkwa etu aha.
In his speech, the traditional ruler of Neni, Igwe Damian Ezani, felicitated with Igwe Nick Obi and prayed for progress, unity and love among the people of Nnobi, while thanking God for successful celebration. Contributing, Barrister Mrs. Clara Obi, the Igwe's wife, appreciated God for a successful triple celebration and called on the people of Nnobi to be of good behavior and remain focused and committed to achieve their goals in life. Speaking to the ABS, later in an interview, the 2022 Ofala Festival Planning Committee Chairman, Chief Nonso Okafor, expressed joy at the success story of this year's Ofala Festival, saying it is time Nnobi pays homage to their king, while praying for unity, love and peace for the Nnobi. Chief Onyechi Ifezue, Dr. Mrs. Chioma Nwosu, among others, appreciated God for the colorful and tripartite celebration, saying that when the righteous is on the throne, the people rejoice.
Igwe is a very nice Igwe, there's no doubt about that. He's a person of respect and he believes so much in rule of law.
Others who spoke on the occasion include former Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Sir Emeka Sibudu, Chief Ebuka Okafor, Chief Ikenna Iyebu, Chief Chukwudi Nzelibe, among others, described Igwe Nick as a father to all, who valued the welfare of his subjects, praying Almighty God to protect and crown him with greater wisdom to lead the great people of Nnobi. High points of the event were crowning of 6 Ichies, presentation of special titles and awards to illustrious sons and daughters of Nnobi. Various entertainment, cultural truths glamorize the event. From Nnobi, Ifeoma Okibo for ABS News.